How to turn off follow request on Instagram. If any day you would like to solve the option of the follow request on Instagram as you want to turn off the follow request option on Instagram but do not know how to do it, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the Instagram application on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device. After that, you have to search Instagram out there. When you find the option of Instagram and see the application of Instagram, you have to tap on the very option of Instagram, and this way Instagram will be launched on your mobile device. Now you have to go to the profile section on the down and then go to the three lines on the top and go to the option of settings and privacy. Now one thing you have to keep in mind is in order to turn on the follow request, you have to keep your very account as the public account out there. If your account is private, you can see the various kind of follow request on your account, but if your account is public, there no any follow request will come. So you have to go to the option of account privacy, and there if the account is private, you have to turn it off and go to the option of the public account. Whenever you turn off the private account option, your very account will be public, and this way your very follow request will be turned off on Instagram. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.